In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and open the Adobe Acrobat app on your mobile device and how to create your very own PDF using its various features. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, you'll first need to head on over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Adobe Acrobat, and once you find the app, go ahead and download it. If you haven't got it installed yet, now's the perfect time to do so, as it's a powerful tool for managing PDFs on the go. Now that you've got the app up and running, open it and sign in using your Adobe ID. And if you don't have one yet, no worries. Just follow the simple steps in the app to create a new Adobe ID. It's straightforward and doesn't take much time at all. So now that you're signed in and ready to go, let's get started on creating a PDF. When you find yourself on the main screen of the app, look for the plus button or the Create PDF icon. It's your gateway to all the wonderful PDF creations you're about to dive into. You have a few options on how to create your PDF, and the choice is yours depending on what you need. If you choose the scan document feature, you can use your phone's camera to capture pages and easily convert them to PDF. Simply take photos of all the pages you need. The app might prompt you to adjust the cropping, and this helps in ensuring your pages look polished and professional. Confirm your selections, and there you have it, a scanned document now in PDF form. The next option is to create from file. This is perfect if you have existing files like Word documents, Excel sheets, or image files that you want to convert into a PDF. Simply browse your device, select the file, and let Adobe Acrobat do its magic. Lastly, if you prefer to start with a completely blank slate, select the Create Blank PDF option. This allows you to start from scratch and add any text or content to your liking. Once you've gone through the creation process, your shiny new PDF will open up in the app for you to see. You can take this opportunity to view, edit, or even share it right from your device. To save your work, tap the Save icon. This will store the document on your device, ensuring it's safely tucked away for future access. Alternatively, if you need to distribute it, tap the Share icon. This provides options for sharing via email, cloud services, and more. And there you have it, your very own PDF, complete with the accessibility and sharing features at your fingertips.